Chef Raphael here. Now I want to show you the best way, the right way of um, cleaning your vegetables before you start cooking. So the first thing you want to do is to clean the vegetables under running water. So running water, even if the tap is not working, this is what running water is. You can use a jug. Don't No, what you need to avoid is to put water in here and clean like this. This is not the right way. It should be running water. If you're talking about greens, same thing. You have bought them from the supermarket or from Mama Mboga. So when you are cleaning, this is the way you clean. You clean one leaf at a time. That is the best way of doing it, like that. And when you're doing that, you put it in a clean container. You always remove from a dirty container, clean, and then the clean container like that. And most importantly, one leaf at a time to make sure that all impurities and dirt is removed. When it comes to tomatoes, that one, especially tomatoes, sometimes can have a lot of residue pesticide. That's why you're cleaning it like this, still under running water, like that. You make sure you cover all the sides. Again, you put in a clean container. What you want to avoid, once again, even if it's tomatoes, is to put water here and just wash like that. The water will actually be dirty, and what you'll be doing is cleaning it with dirty water. So the next step, this is the advanced level of cleaning, is you're going to the other methods of cleaning after the initial cleaning. Here we have a salt solution, salt and water basically, about three tables, 3 teaspoons of water in 5 liters of water. We have soaked this skuma greens for about 15 minutes. When you do that, any dirt or again residue pesticides or even foreign objects will actually be reduced or killed, especially the small worms. So this is one method. You can do it with salt. You can also do it with bicarbonate of soda. Same thing as salt. About 6 teaspoons or bicarbonate in 5 liters of water. And then when you soak it like that for about 15 minutes, that's another way of doing it. Another way you can do the cleaning of vegetables, and now this one will now not apply to greens, is soaking them in vinegar and water solution. So this one has been soaking for about 10 minutes now. So you want it for about 15 minutes. Remember, you cleaned it first, and now we are having this stage whereby you are like cleaning it even further. Then, when you want to start cooking, you come and rinse the vegetables in clean water. So, after soaking, whether it's in salt or in vinegar, you clean it. Now, this one is ready for cooking. Same thing for the greens, like that. Shake off the excess. Now, this one is ready for cooking, and that's how you actually properly clean vegetables. You actually reduce the residue pesticides in the vegetables, and any other. Then you are sure that whatever you're going to consume will be safe and, most importantly, nutritious.